Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to week 3. I hope everyone's doing well and staying healthy and making sure that you're limiting your movement as much as possible. As you can see, we're still in the office. For week 3, your reading assignment is Chapter 12, Lifestyle Management, Chapter 13, Professionalism, and then Chapter 14, Lifelong Learning. Do you see professionalism is a reoccurring theme in this course, so it's obviously important. This time we're going to be talking about different ways, different behaviors for professionalism, different healthcare skills that are necessary for professionalism. The last one was about thinking like a healthcare professional. This is different ways of presenting yourself as a healthcare professional. So, for the week 3 discussion, the first question is describe how diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures contribute to healthy living. Feel free to list examples of healthy living in your own life. So this is pretty easy. So we're going to talk about, so I need to see all 4 aspects of healthy living addressed. So I want to see diet, why it's important, physical activity, why it's important, sleep, why it's important, and preventative measures, why they're important. Then I also want to see how you do or do not incorporate these things into your life. I have to say, since everybody's been staying at home and not going into their job, I've noticed a lot more people out on the streets riding bikes and running and everything else because they don't want to be cooped up in their house. Which kind of, as long as you're not in a social group, I get why people are doing it. They want to get out, they want to get some activity and exercise. Just as long as you're not in a group congregating and trying, make sure that you're not spreading the virus in case you may be asymptomatic and not know that you're carrying the virus. All right, so response 2, you want to read and review professionalism in Chapter 13. In your own words, what does professionalism mean to you? So, based on your reading, what you've read for the week on professionalism, put it into your own words, what it means to you. Then, in that chapter 13, you will also find 3 different paragraphs. Professional behaviors. Then I need 3 examples of those professional behaviors and how you will plan to incorporate it into your professional life. Professional healthcare skills, 3 examples, and how you plan to incorporate them into your professional life. And then professional appearance. With this one, you can tell me how you already incorporated it into your professional life or how you plan to. And one thing with the discussion is you do not have to wait until Sunday to post your last post on the second question. Sunday is a recommendation. It is due by Sunday at 11:59. However, you don't have to wait until then to post it. The whole reason for this assignment is to get you to post as soon as possible so that discussion flows. By posting on Sunday, you don't give me a chance to read it, to redirect you if you're incorrect, which means you're going to lose points. You don't give your fellow students a chance to read it so that they can respond to it. So the sooner you post, the better. So take that into account. And that goes for all your courses, actually. What we provide are suggestions. You don't have to wait till Thursday to post. You can post before Thursday if you'd like. As long as they're spread out over 3 separate days and you post 4 separate posts at least, then you're fine. If you want the excellent, you have to go above and beyond and post 5 separate posts or more over 3 separate days. But when you post those, it's totally up to you. All right, the OSHA assignment for week 3. You can take this assignment as many times as you like. You must score a 70% on this assignment to pass the class. So you can retake it as many times as you like until you get a score that you are happy with. Last week's assignment should have prepped you for this assignment. Week 3 quiz. This one you cannot take as many times as you like. You take it once. It's to cover chapters 12, 13, 14. The test is 15 questions and you have 2 hours to complete it. So there's that. Now I did notice. Alright, so I want to address something. Many of you did not turn in all your assignments this week. Make sure that you're looking over here in this week column to make sure that you are completing all the assignments that are required of you, and they're all listed right here. So for instance, in week 2 that I'm grading now, a lot of you didn't turn in the week 1 written assignment, so I'm not sure why. The week 2 assignment was to prep you for the week 3 assignment. You could take that as many times as you like until you earn the score that you liked. Many of you didn't complete that. And then the discussions, some of them were incomplete in that they were only like 1 or 2 posts. So I'm not sure why some assignments were not turned in. This is where the communication between you and I is very, very important. So please do not hesitate to contact me if you're having difficulties, if you need assistance. That's why I'm here. So for week 3, make sure you're looking at this video or that you're looking at the week 3 assignments under week 3. Okay? All right. Have a great week and stay safe and stay well.